Hi, my name is Ido. I'm an ML engineer at DagsHub. Today, we're going to learn how to add and edit metadata on a DagsHub data source. In this video, I'm assuming you've already created one. If not, please check out our previous videos, where I explain how to create a project from scratch. There are a few ways to upload enrichments using DagsHub, through the UI and programmatically through our Python client. In this video, I'm going to cover both ways. I'm going to head to my data source. And here I can see all my data. And even though I didn't load any custom metadata, I can see here on the left side that some auto-generated metadata has already been added. I can view it like this on the images, or I can click the image and see it here. And I can read it's auto-generated. Now let's say I want to add another field. And I find this cat really cute, so I'm gonna add a field called cute. I'm gonna make it a boolean and set it to true. Now I can click save, and the metadata was updated successfully. Now I can go one by one and add it, but I can also add it in bulk. I can click this checkpoint to select all, and I can click here the edit metadata button. I can choose the cute field and set all of them to true because I really like cats. I'm gonna click save. And that's it for adding metadata through the UI. Of course, I can also edit in the same way. If you already have metadata stored in a CSV file, you can add all of it at once using this method. I'm going to go to the three dots and choose import metadata. Here, I can drag my CSV file, and I have to tell it which column has the path for my files. In my case, it's just called path. Can click upload. It's gonna process. And now I can see a bunch more fields added to my data. I can see more categories for each file. I can see split, valid, and the year of the data creation. Now, let's do it through the code. Let's say I have a more advanced use case. Here in this Python notebook, I'm going to go through all my data, analyze the dominant color in each photo, and add it back as an enrichment. So, the first thing I need to do is to install DagsHub. Next, I can get my data source using the datasources.getDataSources method. Then, I'm going to use the ds.metadata context to set new metadata on my data points. I can use ds.all to iterate over all my data points. I can use dp.downloadFile to download each data point and give the path to my getDominantColor function. Here, I'm using a dictionary-like assignment to set the metadata on my data point. I'm gonna run this, and it's just gonna go through all the data points, get the dominant colors, and add it back. After it finishes running, I can go back to my data source and view this metadata. I'm gonna refresh. And now I can see a new enrichment called dominant colors. When I turn it on, I can see for every photo, it's dominant colors. In the same way, I can override existing properties to edit my metadata. That's it for adding and enriching metadata on a DagsHub data source. If you're interested in learning more, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.